How to understand your college bill statement. Have you ever looked at your college bill statement and felt completely lost? You are not alone. Understanding this document is essential for managing your finances while in school. Let's break it down step by step to make it easier for you. First, your college bill statement includes charges and credits. Charges are the costs that the college bills directly to you. The most significant charge is tuition, which is the amount you pay for instruction and academic services. Next, there are fees. These are additional mandatory costs that cover services like technology, labs, health insurance, parking, and enrollment. If you live on campus, your bill will also include room and board, which covers your housing and meal plans. Sometimes, there are other direct costs like new student fees or special program fees, so be sure to check for those as well. Now, let's talk about credits. These are amounts that reduce what you owe. Financial aid is a big one. This includes grants, scholarships, and loans that have been applied to your account. Payments you have already made will also show up as credits. If you are part of the federal work-study program, remember that this amount is usually not shown on the bill since it is earned through work and paid separately. Next, you should check your enrollment and status information. Make sure your name is correct and verify your enrollment status, whether you are a full-time or part-time student. Also, check your housing status and residency status to ensure everything is accurate. The balance due is the net amount you owe after subtracting credits from charges. This is the figure you need to focus on when planning your payments. Keep in mind that the bill typically shows only direct costs billed by the college. Indirect costs like books, supplies, transportation, and personal expenses are not included on the bill, but you should budget for these as well. Always review your bill carefully for accuracy. Look for any charges that seem incorrect or missing financial aid credits. Some fees, such as health insurance, may be waived if you have your own coverage, so check if you can opt out. Lastly, payment options and deadlines will be listed on your bill. Make sure to plan accordingly to avoid late fees. Understanding your college bill statement will help you estimate the total cost you need to cover each term. It allows you to identify which costs are covered by financial and which requiring out-of-pocket payment. This knowledge will help you budget for both direct and indirect expenses and communicate effectively with the college's financial aid or billing office if you have questions or need to arrange payment plans. By knowing how to read your college bill statement, you can manage your education fund wisely and ensure you allocate enough resources to cover tuition, fees, housing, and other expenses without any surprises.